G'day folks, welcome back. I've decided we're going to throw some purple on here and yeah, we'll just keep building up the layers of different colours until I feel like it's enough, which could be days from now, who knows. Anyway, let's just do this. Let's see. We'll go for another orbital swing, what the heck. And the reason I throw it wide is it gives the tin a chance to stabilise. It gets a bit wobbly for the first few orbits, so that's the reason I do that usually. It's a little bit of a waste of paint, but gives you way straighter lines. It actually looks really cool. Alright, let's stop this. You guys will look at the results here. Here we go. It's starting to get a little bit more interesting. Yeah, apparently I didn't get that throw quite circular, and as you can see it sort of was a bit weird. Yeah, the paint's starting to mix nicely now, so I'll just keep throwing layer upon layer and we'll see what happens to it.
All right, thanks for stopping by. See you in the next one.